Have you ever wondered how all these famous applications like Slack, Notion, Discord, Figma are able to keep their UI look and feel same across their web and desktop applications? Or how GitHub is able to open a full-blown Visual Studio environment in the browser by just pressing the dot in any repository? Well, that is because all these applications use Electron to be able to run browser apps in native app window. Before I introduce you to this amazing tool that leverages the powers of most fast and efficient language named JavaScript, before I introduce you to Electron, I have a challenge for you. Install and run these apps simultaneously. Notion, Discord, Visual Studio Code, preferably with multiple instances and the most complex projects loaded up, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Twitch, Skype. If you are still able to watch this video, that means either you are top 1% of the people in the entire world who owns a computer with capable enough hardware to run all those apps at the same time, or you simply did not bother to run all those apps that some random guy on the internet asked you to run. Good choice. Electron is a powerful and open source framework for building cross platform desktop applications using web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, let's see what contributed to the high memory consumption of Electron applications. Firstly, Electron applications include a full browser runtime, which requires more memory compared to native desktop applications. This is because the browser runtime includes various components such as rendering engine, JavaScript engine, networking stack, and much more. However, the question still remains, why do these big companies still use this tool if it's so inefficient? The answer is simple. While Electron apps cannot match the performance of applications written in languages like C++, it's still possible to optimize it to get the job done. In return, you can leverage your existing web code base to be able to run within a desktop application environment. This leads to consistent UI UX and better developer experience since you don't have to maintain two separate code bases written in probably different languages, and that also ensures that the UI features are in sync. However, now that JavaScript ecosystem is expanding beyond JavaScript to fulfill its performance needs, we have started seeing more tools that allow building desktop application using web technologies or some sort of hybrid combination. The most prominent is Tauri. It takes different approach to launching a web app in a native application by leveraging an operating system built-in WebView component to render web application content. The downside is that one has to learn a completely different language, which is Rust, to write the backend custom code. Tori has gained a lot of praise, but it still needs to be determined that how web dev community adopts it.